Are you ready to supercharge your trading journey? Join us as we uncover the world of funded trading with the 5 best funded trader programs and firms. We've done the research to bring you the best options and their unique perks. Don't miss this opportunity to level up your trading game. And subscribe to Guru 99 for more valuable insights on trading. Well, funded trading opens doors for traders to earn using someone else's capital, sparing their own accounts from risk. It's like having a financial safety net. But here's the deal, you need to play by the rules. The big perk? Risk is limited, which is a game changer. However, there's a catch. You'll often need to pay a monthly fee for access to the platform and real-time data. And before you can tap into a funded Forex account, you'll have to prove your trading chops through an evaluation process set by the prop firm. Well, choosing the right funded trading program is crucial. Consider your experience, trading style, funding amount, profit sharing terms, and evaluation process transparency. Stay vigilant, read reviews to dodge potential scams, and if you're new to funded trading, start small to test the waters. After you've picked a program, read the terms and conditions thoroughly. This helps you grasp the rules and your responsibilities. So make a savvy choice based on trading rules, initial funding, and evaluation period, and set yourself up for success. Want to avoid the long research? Don't you guys worry. We've just handpicked the top funded trading firms for you guys, unveiling the best based on trading rules, initial funding, and more. Let's check out the 5 best picks. Number 1. Fidelcrest. If you're looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading, Fidelcrest might just be your ticket. Established in 2018, this global proprietary trading firm, headquartered in Nicosia, Cyprus, offers a diverse range of account options designed to cater to traders of all backgrounds and experience levels. Features: Fidelcrest offers a fantastic package for traders. Their user-friendly platform features 0 commissions, tight spreads from 0 pips, and the flexibility to hold positions overnight and over weekends. You're not limited in the number of instruments you can trade, and they provide quick evaluations, enabling you to manage up to $2 million in trading capital. One standout perk is the unlimited retries in Phase 1, lasting up to 60 days. When you pass the audition, you can enjoy 40% of Phase 2 profits. In the realm of micro FX accounts, there's a 5% profit margin, and they even support trading funded accounts up to $1 million. Trading options: Forex, indices, metals, commodities, stocks, and more. Credibility check. Now, you can rest easy with Fidelcrest. They've never been hacked and hold credibility through regulation by the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission. Costs: Fidelcrest's fees are trader-friendly, with 0.2% maker fee and a 0.3% taker fee, making it an appealing choice. Payouts: traders value quick and straightforward payouts that Fidelcrest definitely delivers, processing withdrawals within 24 hours, offering PayPal, wire transfers, and cards. Pros: you can track trading progress and objectives. Offers friendly and knowledgeable customer support. Cons: the pricing of Fidelcrest is not cost-effective and may prove to be expensive. Verdict: whether you're a novice or a crypto pro, Fidelcrest provides a reliable platform for your digital asset journey. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.fidelcrest.com. Number 2. SurgeTrader. If you're seeking a path to bolster your trading skills and potential profits, SurgeTrader is a notable contender in the funded trader program arena. Based in sunny Florida, this company has garnered recognition as one of the top firms in the United States. Features: SurgeTrader is a dynamic platform with attractive features. They offer instant funding, providing traders with $25,000 and a 10% profit target. 2 audition programs make it accessible for traders of all experience levels. You can earn up to 90% in profit sharing. They set a daily profit target of 10% and a daily loss limit of 5%, balancing challenges and safeguards. Traders enjoy flexibility with leverage up to 20-1, a maximum drawdown of 8%, and the ability to hold positions over weekends. All accounts are managed through ACIC regulated broker 8 cap for security. SurgeTrader enforces discipline with simple rules, ensuring stop-loss orders, Friday position closers, and a maximum number of open lots. This platform offers low-cost trading with tight spreads and no minimum trading day requirements, creating a stress-free experience. Trading options: Forex, indices, metals, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Credibility check. SurgeTrader is a newer player in the field, which might raise questions about their credibility. However, they are registered with the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, providing some assurance. Costs. It's worth noting that SurgeTrader does charge a fee for their funded trading accounts, with the amount varying depending on the chosen account tier. Payout methods. Profit payouts are a straightforward process with SurgeTrader occurring on a weekly basis. Traders have multiple payout options, including cryptocurrency, PayPal, Revolut, Payoneer, TransferWise, Wire, Transfer, and ACH. Pros. Traders have the freedom to select any trading style, as the firm does not limit your trading approach. Quick access to funded trading, usually within 24 to 48 hours through SurgeTrader Audition. Easy and fast account setup with access to the proprietary trader portal in under 5 minutes. Cons. The firm requires traders to put a stop loss on each trade. During SurgeTrader Audition, in the event of a hard breach, account access will be revoked. Verdict. SurgeTrader presents an appealing chance with its high profit share, flexibility, and quick access. But remember to carefully assess the fees and risks as it's a newer player in trading. Do your homework before getting started. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.surgetrader.com. Number 3. TopStepTrader. If you're an aspiring trader, consider TopStepTrader. Established in 2012, it's a reputable proprietary trading firm that's funded over 1,000 traders. They cater to various needs with funded accounts, the Express funded account at $300, offering access to $50,000. The flagship Live funded account at $5,000 with up to $150,000. And the Elite funded account at $10,000, granting access to $300,000 in funded capital. It's a diverse platform for traders at different levels. Features. TopStepTrader's user-friendly proprietary trading platform is a highlight. It comes equipped with essential tools such as charts, technical indicators, and various order types, ensuring a seamless trading experience. What sets TopStepTrader apart is its professional trading support. They provide access to a team of experienced traders who offer valuable guidance and support. Moreover, the firm emphasizes risk management, incorporating daily loss limits and trailing drawdowns into their system. Trading options: CME, COMEX, NYMEX, and CBOT. Credibility check. Rest assured, TopStepTrader is a credible company regulated by the National Futures Association, the NFA. They maintain a strong track record and boast a clean security history. Costs. Traders should be aware that TopStepTrader charges various fees. These include monthly account fees, commission fees based on the contracts being traded, and a profit share that varies according to the account tier. Payouts. TopStepTrader distributes profits to traders on a monthly basis, with typical payouts occurring within 10 days of the end of each month. Pros. Offers enticing profit shares up to 80% and flexible terms without time constraints or minimum trading days. Personalized stats and tips are provided to improve performance. Cons. Fees may impact profitability and program qualification can be competitive. Verdict. TopStepTrader is a solid choice for those aiming to be pro futures traders, offering potential for high profit sharing and support. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.topstep.com. Number 4. FTMO. Established in 2014 by a team of dedicated day traders, FTMO has grown into a globally recognized proprietary trading firm. They share a strong commitment to promoting trading professionalism and discipline. FTMO's mission is to provide traders with the capital and resources to speculate on financial instrument price movements. In 2017, they launched an international version of their project, FTMO.com. Based in the Czech Republic, FTMO offers a range of funded trading accounts, such as a $25,000 balance for just $250 and a $50,000 balance for $345. Features. FTMO excels with its proprietary trading platform, compatible with MetaTrader, 4.5, and CTrader, offering a user-friendly experience with charts, indicators, and various order types. What truly distinguishes them is the wide array of accessible financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and bonds. They provide professional trading support, daily loss limits, and trailing drawdowns for solid risk management. Impressively, FTMO comes with no recurring charges, offers a free trial, and grants traders the freedom to choose their trading style. They offer performance coaches, multiple trading apps, and excellent customer support via email, phone, and live chat, catering to traders of all levels, including beginners. Trading options: Forex, commodities, indices, crypto, stocks, bonds. Credibility check: FTMO holds its reputation as a credible company regulated by the Czech National Bank, the CNB, with an untarnished security record. Costs: FTMO does entail some fees, including an evaluation fee, monthly account fees, commission on trades, and a share of profits, all varying depending on your chosen account tier. Payouts: profits are dispersed to traders on a weekly basis, typically within 10 days of the week's end, with multiple payout methods available, including bank wire transfer, debit, credit card, Google Pay, and Skrill. Pros: in the FTMO challenge or verification, you don't need to close your positions. You can trade your trading strategy with no limits or restrictions. It allows news event trading and holding positions overnight. Cons: you must pass the FTMO challenge for 10 trading days. This could be difficult. Verdict: FTMO is a strong option for traders aiming to go pro, although the evaluation can be demanding. The potential rewards are worth considering, along with the associated fees. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.ftmo.com. Number 5. FundingTradingPlus. FundingTradingPlus, a well-regarded global trading firm based in London, the UK, offers a unique deal: refunding fees for the experienced and advanced trader programs when traders hit a 10% profit on live accounts. They stand out with their one-stage funding, instant funding, and a traditional two-stage funded account. Traders get an initial balance of $12,500 with a refundable registration fee and profit-sharing opportunities that can reach an impressive 90%. Features: FundingTradingPlus offers appealing features including 2 audition programs, a 10% daily profit target, and a 5% daily loss limit. Traders have flexibility with leverage up to 20-1 and a maximum trailing drawdown of 8% without any time constraints or mandatory 30-day trading periods. Trading options: Forex, indices, metals, commodities, cryptos. Costs: traders should note that FundingTradingPlus charges fees for their funded trading accounts, with the fee varying depending on the chosen account tier. Payouts: payouts are fast, with profit splits going up to 90%. Traders can copy trade from personal to FT Plus accounts. Profits are paid weekly, usually within 24 hours, with deal and cryptocurrency withdrawal options. Pros: it allows overnight trading and holding. FT Plus has highly responsive customer support. It offers 4 different funding programs. Cons: it has a high commission cost on Forex pairs. One of its cons, as per our review, is its trailing drawdown. Verdict: FundingTradingPlus is an enticing option for traders seeking to unlock their potential, offering diverse funding programs, generous profits, and swift payouts. Do assess commission costs and weigh the pros and cons before committing. Scan the QR code below or check the link provided in the description box to visit www.fundedtradingplus.com. So there you have it, folks. These are some of the best funded trader programs and firms out there to supercharge your trading journey. But which one piques your interest the most? Are you ready to dive into the world of funded trading and take your skills to the next level? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting trading insights. Happy trading, and may your profits soar.